Let's start number 5th exercise. You can see fill in the blanks with some or any. Before starting this exercise, you should know about where we will use some and we use any. The word some is used for in positive sentences and the word any is used for interrogative or negative sentence. So let's see. Do you have any children's book in your shop? Here this sentence is interrogative in interrogative form, so you have to use here any children's book. The answer is yes, we have some. The answer is in positive form, so we can use here some. What exactly do you want? Do you have any cuddly toys or building set? Here again it is asking a question, so we will put here any. We don't have any cuddly toys, but we have some blocks. So students, you can see very easily here are two fill-ups. In first sentence is in negative form, but the second one is in positive form. So first we will use any and the next we will use some. Next, are there any taxis going to Chennai? Here again it is asking question, so we will put here any. No, there aren't any at this time. And the number 6 sentence is in negative form, so we will use any. How sad, some people don't have any luck. Some people, kuch log, it is positive but don't have, it is negative. So we will put in the second fill up any. Number 8, I think I'll have some ice cream. Here number 1 sentence is in positive. Do you have any? Again number 2 is interrogative, so you can put here any. There were some trees in the garden, but there were not any flowers. Does Bobby have any dolls? Yes, she has some, but she will not give you any. Okay, so students, some and any both are used for plural nouns. They can use for countable or uncountable noun. You can use with both, but make it sure some is used only with positive noun, and that means positive in positive sentence, and any is used for negative or interrogative sentence. Clear it? You have to do in only in both. Thank you.